Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz and I'm back on your screen, and today I have a fun haul for you guys. I did another order with Sephora. Yes, and I've decided to share it with you all. So let me show you what I ordered. Okay, so I was sitting here, I had a Zoom meeting, and I said, you know what, while I'm waiting I could just do this Sephora order. So let me show y'all because it just came in the mail. Okay, I ordered this hair oil. I believe it's by, this hair oil, and it's by Quai. And let me bring it on up to y'all. It's by Quai, and it's a hair oil, and I've been wanting to try this for the longest, and I'm about to do my hair probably, I want to say tomorrow if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I'm going to see how this smells. Okay. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like a perfume. Okay. Yeah, it smells like a perfume. It smells like a older lady perfume. Okay, anyway, and I also ordered their leave-in conditioner by Quai as well. Let's see if this smells the same. No, it doesn't. This smells way better. Yeah, this is the leave-in conditioner. This is the 4.7 fluid ounce. And I wanted to try out a concealer. Alrighty, the next item is this Skin Fetish. This is the Sublime Perfection Concealer. And I was kind of like shopping really fast, so this isn't the shade that I really wanted to get. I really wanted to get a highlighter. Let me open this up. Okay. I wanted a lighter concealer for under the eye, but I guess this will do. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's grease on there. And this is it. So, I mean, this will match me, my skin tone. I need a lighter one. Oh, that feels really nice and creamy. And the packaging is cute. It has the Pat McGrath. The packaging is cute. It has Pat McGrath on there. And this is in the shade M20. And so far, this, I can wear this probably. Let me see. Yeah, a little bit. I ain't going nowhere, y'all. I didn't even put no makeup on today. Well, when I say that, that is like foundation, blush, highlight. When I think of just a basic face, it's nothing on my face, just mascara, and I just did my brows early this morning at like 4. So I'm a little greasy today. And I ain't left-handed, so this might come out a little crazy. But yeah, I like the concealer. I can't even tell y'all. I'm doing too much. Okay, y'all. Why y'all ain't tell me I was looking crazy? Okay, so yeah, I like this concealer. This will match me perfect. I just need to set it. But I like the concealer and whatnot. And I probably will, I think stores will open up on either the 31st or the 1st. I'll probably end up going in the store, and yeah, I'll probably end up going in the store and ordering a lighter color because I like to highlight underneath my eye. And then I don't know, I ordered this one. I'm not really feeling the spray. I'm not really feeling the smell. I don't know, y'all. And I also ordered some OLAPLEX No. 7. This is a bonding oil. And I've been seeing this when it first came out because I did do a video when I used the OLAPLEX, I think number 3, number 4 for my hair, when my hair was coming back to life. And this is a 1 fluid ounce. So I'm assuming you don't need a lot of this. And let's see how this smells, because I'm really big on smells, guys. I can't tell. But this hair oil from Quai is, ugh, like old lady. Okay. Okay, Olaplex is cool. Okay, Olaplex is cool. It smells good. It's not overpowering or anything. It smells like a nice hair oil. Okay, and I think I'll like that. I think I'll like that. I don't know. We're gonna have to see about this hair oil from Quai, because I don't. It smells like. Let me see. It smells like a perfume that I've smelled before, like a floral fragrance. I'm not really feeling it at all. Okay, and then I ordered, and the last item that I ordered that was on clearance was this Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and I picked up the shade 420, but something in me I ordered the shade 420, but part of me thinks I should have went with 410, but we shall see, because I don't want to be like orange. So let me see. I'm gonna open this up really quick. Okay, you guys, I love the packaging, and I wanted this for the longest, but I wasn't going to spend that amount of money. And I think it was kind of hard for me to find my shade, because it was kind of hard to find my shade. So when it went on sale, I was trying to find videos. It's kind of hard when you're looking for videos and you're trying to like match your skin to other people's, but other people lighting be like all the way off, because like in their pictures they'll be like, hey, you know, smiling and whatnot, and then when you click on the video, they're either too light or too dark. I don't know, y'all. So let's see, it has this little, you know, so you won't mess up. Okay, I'm gonna pump some out. Yeah, hopefully it's not too orange. I should have shook it up, right? Hello? Okay, there we go. Ooh, that's looking like it's a little bit too dark, y'all. Ah! That's looking a little too dark. Yeah, I could have went with 410. I definitely could have went with 410, in my opinion. Because, well, this is like a summer shade, in my opinion, but I do want 410 because I probably will wear this in the fall. I did like the formula when I did have a tester of it, but yeah, I did like the formula of it when I first. I don't have no mirror, y'all. When I first tried it on, it's earring all on the way. Okay, let's bring y'all close so y'all can see. It looked like it matched, right? I look like I had, I don't know, we'll see, because you know how stuff be oxidizing and whatnot. Okay, let me sit y'all back down. I got y'all rigged up here. Okay. So I'm assuming it's okay. I don't know. I can't tell. I'm in the dining room at the table. I can't tell, but it looks like it kind of matches. And then when I like do the highlight in the T-zone, it should, you know, look decent. What y'all think? Let me know. I want to add a little bit more to this side. Doing all this, don't have no mirror. But y'all, you guys know I've been trying, I've been using the, what is that? The Tatcha, that oil, that vitamin C oil. I noticed a difference because I'm usually dark right here, and I'm not as dark right here in this area as I usually am, which is a plus. Okay, so that is the shade 420. I could probably go with 410, a little bit lighter, but I kind of opted for that. I didn't want that because it said it had like a an olive undertone, and my undertone is not olive, it's yellow. So that's why I didn't get that. And what else did I get? Okay, and I also ordered the Gold Rush by Benefit. This was also on clearance, and oh, it's cute. Comes with the little brush, and this comes with the mirror, like I'm gonna use that. But this is the shade, y'all. That looks pretty. I thought it was a highlight. Let's use this brush and try it out. So what is this? I don't even know if it's supposed to be a blush. Let's see. It says Warm Golden Nectar Blush. Yes, it's a blush. I forgot what I ordered, y'all. Okay, so put that right here. I'm gonna sweep the brush in here, and we're gonna place it on the cheeks. Ookie dookie, ookie dookie. I don't see nothing. I don't. Girl, I don't know, y'all tell me, because I'm just, can y'all see anything? Because I don't look like I'm a little ashy. I feel like I'm a little ashy. Maybe that's why I was on clearance. This is crazy. That don't look right at all. No ma'am. No, they can keep that. I gotta see, because I am not in front of my mirror. So I'm gonna move on to, what else did I order? That was about it. Now, that was about it. They did send me some samples, and I got the YSL. This is the Eau de Toilette, and this is this right here. And I also, I don't know why, but Black Opium, knowing I don't really, Black Opium smells good, but not on me, in my personal opinion. I don't really like the way it smells. And then we have the Lash and Go eyeliner by Velour. Yeah, so let's see what this, oh, that's cute, little bitty lash. Girl, I can't even see. I'm doing too much. Oh, it's real watery. It's real watery, and the brush is hard. Okay, that's enough of that. So yeah, that's what I ordered from Sephora. Alrighty, and the last item I ordered from Amazon, and they are some, like a balance drapery. It looks like that. And it's just some gray draperies. I'll probably insert a picture of the way it should look. Okay, I see. Yeah, it's just some like a gray balance. Okay, yeah, so it should look something like that. And I just ordered this to go in the hall, upstairs hallway window. Yep, so that is about it, you guys. So that was my quick Sephora haul. And out of everything, I am not really, I gotta see, but I'm surprised that this didn't come in a box or anything. But this hair oil, I am really, I don't know, I didn't like the smell. And this Gold Rush by Benefit, I'm not really feeling, but overall everything else was pretty cool. Even the foundation, I can rock that foundation. And yeah, guys, that will complete my Sephora haul. I thank you all for watching, and this was a quick video because I had just got home from work and whatnot. Came home, didn't have on no makeup, no lashes, and I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So there you have it. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Bye.